Heat olive oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add garlic and onions and saute for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add jalapeño, carrots, celery, and cook and stir for about 5 minutes. Add salt and black pepper to taste. And add black beans and vegetable broth and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low, cover and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until vegetables are very tender. Once it's cooked, ladle into bowl and serve while it's hot, and sprinkle with cilantro and serve with lime wedges if desired. That's it for today, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Thank you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.